Hello, in today's video we would like to show how you can get the free virtual number for Telegram. So first of all, you want to download and install the Next Plus application for free, either from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Market. Let's go ahead and launch it first. Here we'll get started. Sign in with Google. And once at this app, you'll get your free phone number assigned to you, which you are able to find right here. As you can see, my Next Plus number is located right here. Therefore, it is your US number. You can also set it up or edit it or get a new one. And also you can use it in order to create a new Telegram account very easily. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.